Good evening everyone. I am Dr. Satyendra Som, Director of the Institute. It's my great pleasure to introduce Master School of Management Studies to all of you. Master School of Management Studies or MSM Studies is located in DS1, DC1, Pocket D, Lohia Nagar, Hapur Road, Meerut. The institute is well connected by bus route and the railway route. Both the roads, either this is Delhi Meerut Expressway or Delhi Hapur bypass, pass through the institute. Lohia Nagar is a well planned, well developed, green and beautiful township developed by Meerut Development Authority MDA, and the land of the institute is categorized as educational land which is acquired from MDA only. MSM Studies is a dream project of Siaram Kasturi Devi Educational Society, comprises of renowned academicians, business professionals and social activists. The goal of the society is to provide value-based education to the youngsters, to the young graduates. The society, Siaram Kasturi Devi Educational Society, has been actively involved in imparting quality education to the young graduates since its inception. The society is involved in developing the capabilities of the students by providing them the opportunities to perform at the institutions of national repute. For example, IIM Kolkata, ISB Hyderabad and the various platforms of AIIMS and the IIMA. The society is also helping the people through the providing free education and scholarship to the deserving candidates. The society has also taken up several initiatives of the CSR. For example, organization of the blood donation camps, helping the old age homes, and visiting villages to aware the farmers about the advanced technological developments and the adverse impact of the heavy use of the fertilizers on the agriculture, on the health and other things. The proposed institute MSM Studies will endeavor to provide opportunities to all those who are deserving and passionate to learn the art and the science of the management education. The institute will also focus on sharpen the research skills, especially the action research and the other academic researches, consultancy to the corporate and other organizations. And the mission of the institute is to provide quality education to the young generations and to develop managers with professional excellence embedded with social values. We believe in the organic growth of the institutions. That's why we have applied only for the 60 seats. Now let me take you to a virtual tour of the campus. Due to the compliance of the ongoing pandemic, the institute was closed last 1.5 years, and this is open just to complete the process of the affiliation for this MBA program only, or to shoot this particular video. As we can see that the lush green campus of the institute, full of landscape lawns, flower plants and the trees, which make the environment conducive for the studies. This is really a beautiful and fully equipped campus. all the essential facilities like the furniture, electricity, power backup, drinking water, RO connected with the water coolers, AC, Wi-Fi, cafeteria, mess, everything is there in the campus. The building is constructed with high quality standards. The high quality of construction material is used in the construction of the building, which is duly approved by the authority. For example, the strength of the bricks and the concrete is verified by the IIT Roorkee, and the steel used in the construction is sourced from the primary producer Tata Steel and SAIL. Now let me take you to visit the inside campus and the facilities. This is director's office, fully furnished and equipped with essential gadgets and the equipments. This is the cabin for HOD. This is the boys' common room. This is tutorial room. This is the central store. This is the computer lab and computer classroom. This is the library. We have total 70 titles and 545 volumes, in which we have tried to purchase the best of the books. Like we have Financial Management by I.M. Pandey, we have Managerial Economics by Salvatore, and we have Indian Economics by Misra and Puri. And also for that business analytics purpose we have Python. So we have tried to source from the best writers and the best publications. We have marketing management by the Philip Kotler. We have operations management by Mahadevan, and we have the mercantile law by Andy Kapoor. And the business analytics, of that we have some publication, some books on the financial management and the training and development and some other important subjects and the business statistics. Also we have one encyclopedia of Britannica. There are some books of investment analysis and the portfolio management, some books of the operations management. And one sitting area is also there, and we are just planning to increase this sitting area as per the requirement or the number of students admitted. This is the library reading room. There is a sitting capacity for a good number of students. Some national and international journals are there as per the AICTE requirement. We have sourced 6 national journals and 6 international journals. Economic and Political Weekly is there, Economist is there, and Human Capital is also there. South Asian Journal of Management is there, People Matters is there. So we have sourced some reputed journals, national and international. Outlook Business and Outlook Journal is also there, and also there is one corner for the new arrivals, like The Power of Habit and No Logo, and there is one autobiography of Jack Ma, and Poor Economics written by Abhijit Banerjee, one Nobel Prize winner. Good Economics for Hard Times. These are some new arrivals. And in the reading room we have 10 computers, and as per the AICTE requirement. And we have with our parent society, Siaram Kasturi Devi Educational Society, we have one membership of DALNET, and in that there is a online availability of lakhs of books and a good number of national and international journals, and we will be utilizing that particular facility as well in that common facilities or the common utility things. In the library there is one facility for the printing and photocopying and scanning anything, and we have one system for that exclusively for the students. This is a girls' common room, and there is a sitting arrangement for 60 girls. This is the office area, office all inclusive, maintenance office, and the exam control room. This is the first floor of the proposed building. This is the classroom. All the classrooms are of same size and same type. There is a sitting capacity of 66 seats for 66 students, and all the essential facilities are there in the classroom, like the furniture, like the fan, tube lights, one proper lighting, and projector is there, whiteboard is there, and one motor operated screen is also there. This is the placement office. This is the area specified for the reception and housekeeping. This is gents' toilet. This is ladies' toilet. This is the display board, and drinking water facility, in which RO is connected with water cooler. This is the second classroom. The classroom is of same size and same type. a seating capacity of 66 students. And all the essential facilities are there, like the projector and whiteboard and screen and other things. This is the department office. There are some cubicles for multi-purpose. This is the seminar hall, and there is a sitting capacity of 120 plus students. This is the boardroom. This is the third classroom. Of same size and same type. This is the pantry for staff. And faculty room. And this is a really beautiful area of the campus, and we can see greenery. Although already I have mentioned that institute was closed because of that compliance of the pandemic, and there is one unplanned growth. We can see there is one grass and trees, and because of that only. But we are now try to maintain all these things. This is fourth classroom. This is same type of the classroom. All the essential facilities are there, fully equipped. Projector is there, whiteboard, motor operated screen is there, central AC, proper sound system. And we are planning to use this particular classroom for various management related activities, like the guest lectures and small conferences and different kind of the presentations and the conferences. This is another toilet space on the same floor. This is for ladies. Toilet for gents. This is another water cooler and display board as well. and this is the cafeteria. This is really green and beautiful place. The stationery store is also there near to cafeteria. This is the back side of the building. We can see that there is one unplanned growth of trees and the grass. But because of this is already I have mentioned that institute was closed due to that compliance of the COVID-19 pandemic. So we could know that institute is just open to complete the process of the affiliation and to shoot this particular video. But all these things will be managed soon. This is the front view, or I must say this is the corner front view of the building. This is the front view of the building, and we have started from this point only. This is the open amphitheater. So this was one virtual tour of the campus, and in this very small you can say time, I have tried to cover all the facilities and the areas, and also that our goals and the objective to propose this particular institution. Thank you so much.